Namaste from TechRaman, and I have here the Honor 99. In this video, let's talk about the features, tips and tricks you can avail on this device. The Honor 99 comes with a 5.84-inch display with a Full HD Plus panel and a 19:9 aspect ratio, and is powered by Kirin 6x9 chipset and comes with a 3000 mAh battery. It runs on Android Oreo with their own EMUI 8.0 layered upon. Let's start with the video. The Honor 99 comes with a notch, and in case you don't like the notch, there's always a setting in the display where you can hide the notch. So if you like or if you don't like, you have a choice to choose. In the display setting, there is also a eye comfort mode. So it's a blue filter toggle. So when you're using the phone at night, you can enable the blue filter or the eye comfort. You can also schedule this to start at a particular time and ending at a particular time. The Honor 99 by default doesn't come with the app drawer. But in the display settings, there is a home screen style option where you can enable it to have an app drawer. So you get an Android-like feel in the Honor 9 phone when you enable the drawer. The Honor 99 comes with a Full HD Plus resolution, but there is also a screen resolution settings in the display. So you can go and opt for a smart resolution which lowers the screen resolution to help save power, or you can manually shift to the HD Plus panel so that you can enjoy more battery life. There is also a screensaver mode which automatically display a picture while the phone is charging. So you can also change the picture sources from your camera or the magazine unlock or WhatsApp image or any other album you have in your phone, and also control the duration. You can pinch the home screen and it shows wallpaper, widgets, transition, and also you find a settings. In the settings, you can change the home layout to 4x6, 5x6 or 5x5, and also you can toggle on the options like auto align or shake to realign home screen icons. Honor 99 comes with a 3000 mAh battery, and the battery settings has some power modes. So you have here the power saving mode and also a ultra power saving mode. When your battery is really low, you can turn on this ultra power saving mode. In the storage option, you also find a storage cleaner. So you don't need a separate app to clean your phone. So you can use the storage cleaner to clear the junk files from your phone, and there is also a deep clean options. The 99 comes with a fingerprint sensor at the rear, and it works very accurate and very fast. And you can also do app lock. Apart from this, there are also certain gesture actions you can do on the sensor area with any fingers. So you have a touch and hold gesture as well as the slide gestures. So when you are in a camera app, you can touch and hold the sensor area to take a photo. When there is an incoming call, you can touch and hold to answer the call, or you can use touch and hold to stop alarm. Also, you can browse the pictures as well as show the notification panel by sliding gestures. The 99 also comes with a face recognition, and it works really neat. There are a couple of smart assistants. So you can use a one hand mode, and it's very easy to turn on the one hand mode. Just slide your finger from the power button to the either to the menu button or the home back button, and you can shift the minimize screen either to the left and right. In the accessibility feature, there is also a power button ends call option. So when there is an call and if you are end it, you can just press the power button. And there is a flip to mute as well as the 3-finger screenshot, and it also supports scroll screenshot for a long screenshot. Giving safety as a priority, the Honor 99 also comes with a ride mode. So you can either enable it directly from the quick access settings, as well as there is an app called ride mode. And so what happens when you enable the ride mode? So when there is an incoming call, it basically goes like a DND mode, and you can either send them an auto message, voice message, or a text message stating that you are driving and you'll be getting back to them. It's also a ride tracking feature which can be enabled. So it gives you a ride analytics like the time spent on riding as well as the total kilometers covered when you are driving. For gamers, there is a game suit mode where you can opt for a smart mode, gaming mode, or power saving mode. Smartphone balances the performance and the power. Game mode gives more priority for the performance at the cost of the battery, and then there is a power saving mode which gives you priority for battery and not for the performance. So you can opt for one of this which you find it to be ideal for your needs. And then there is an uninterrupted gaming mode which is more like a D&D mode. So when you are playing a game, you don't get distracted by notifications, so you can have an uninterrupted gaming session. The 99 also supports OTG, so you can use your mini drive, or you can use an adapter to connect your pen drive, and you can access the files or copy or paste between the pen drive and the phones. Honor 9 also would be getting the GPU turbo update in a couple of months, so it will boost the gaming performance by 30% and the battery optimization by 20%. Honor also has said that they'll be pushing few other features like party mode, where you can connect up to 7 Honor devices and use them as a big speaker when you are playing a song, as well as the one-click Paytm options. And so that's it. This is the Honor 99 features, tips and tricks, and what do you think about them? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lashmajan signing off at TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.